Hello everybody. Hey, here's my latest work, Swan Lake. Now I've explained many times before that my commissions tend to be remakes of works from the past. Here we see the same design from the 2020 calendar, reworked here as a mosaic, in my opinion to great success. I'm really enjoying the vignette effect. It's as though we've parted the reeds and we're interlopers on their intimacy. Lovely texture on the swan's wings with the marini. Very pretty lilies. Pink is the complementary of the blue, of course. And I think if I told you this was the backdrop for the production of Swan Lake, you'd believe me, wouldn't you? I think it's a great success. Loving the colours and the vignette. The whole effect of it is really nice, I think. Very romantic. So it's going to be a Valentine's card. If you'd like to send a Valentine's card of it, you can. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. Swan Lake. I do not wish to sound pedantic, but I hope this mosaic is seen as romantic, that the Swan Lake that you hereby see is worthy of Peter Ilyich Tchaikovsky.